Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive option for those seeking an adventurous ride, with features that enhance both comfort and performance. Available in 3 different power options, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter caters to a variety of riders, whether you're commuting or exploring off-road trails. One of the standout features is the 20-inch off-road tires, which provide excellent traction and stability across various terrains. Whether you're navigating through gravel paths or tackling uneven surfaces, these robust tires absorb shocks effectively, ensuring a smoother ride. The scooter's sturdy build instills confidence, making it feel more like an all-terrain vehicle than a mere scooter. The inclusion of a seat adds a significant level of comfort, especially for longer rides. Unlike many scooters that require prolonged standing, the Caroma Peak allows riders to sit back and enjoy the journey without fatigue. The adjustable seat height accommodates different rider preferences, making it a versatile choice for multiple users. Range is another impressive feature of the Caroma Peak, with options for 15, 25, or even 30 miles per charge, depending on the model. This level of distance is commendable and provides ample opportunity for extended rides without frequent recharging. The battery charges relatively quickly, allowing for minimal downtime. Performance-wise, the scooter accelerates smoothly and has a responsive throttle, which is particularly beneficial for navigating through traffic or during steep climbs. The braking system is also reliable, providing peace of mind with its dual braking mechanism. On the downside, while the scooter is designed for off-road use, its weight might be a concern for some users when lifting or transporting it. Additionally, while the design looks sleek, it's somewhat bulky compared to other models, which could be a factor for urban commuting. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to combine comfort, performance, and versatility in their rides. Its durable construction and impressive range make it a worthy investment for both casual and serious riders.